My question goes to Katrina ma'am. I'm a big fan of you. So I just want to ask a small question. Like, how was the experience working with Amir sir? Like,
Working with Amir sir was it was really really good. Honestly, first I was a little skeptical. I had heard so much about him that he's so planned and meticulous, and he's very particular about things. So I was a bit nervous, what it was gonna kind of be like. But from the first scene we did together in the film, I realized he's such a, I mean, we all know the star he is, but he's such a genuine actor, and he treats you just like that, just as another co-actor on the set, seeing what you can bring to the scene. And I really, really found that amazing and really enjoyed the experience. Only one small thing I realized is that Amir doesn't like to turn very fast in the, at a height. So in some of the songs we were doing, I could see that, he didn't really like that, that spinning. But apart from that, I think everything was amazing.
Katrina, I have two questions for you. First, I think, they always say that most of the times, that's what we've seen, is it's touted as the hero's movie, if you know what I'm trying to say. But of course, but of course, I'm sure things are changing. Like Deepika got due credit for all the 3 hits that had happened. But usually, I'm sure it's a hard work on both the sides, because the male actor is usually the central character. They tend to take the credit away. And the actress is there, of course. So your comment on that, and do you think things will change? And how would you like to let things change? So first question that.
Good question. First way I'd like to try and propose a change is, if God willing, inshallah, The Whom is a big hit, Amir can dedicate a letter to me thanking me for my contribution. How's that? He can say, I give you credit.
But I don't have to wait for the hit for that.
Oh. See, that's sweet. He already gives it to me. No, seriously, I understand what you're saying, but at the same time, I feel that it's also deserved in a way. I think everyone gets what they deserve. So if if the hero or the actor is taking is more talked about after the film, then I guess it's deserved. And if
Actually, I have something to say for this.
Sorry, wrong answer.
Sorry, have you finished?
I finished.
Okay. When you say that the hero takes the credit, actually, I don't think any hero takes the credit and runs away. So what happens is that, according to me, filmmaking is an activity where a number of creative people come together and work together, and everyone contributes. What happens is, sometimes we as an audience, and I'm counting myself as an audience now, we as an audience look at a film, and sometimes we tend to give credit, as opposed to that one person taking it. So I might give credit to a particular actor or a particular technician in a film. But the fact is that actually everyone has contributed together. But as an audience, sometimes we get attracted to one aspect of a film, and we end up giving credit, or maybe overdue credit to that person,
Akshay also said you guys get blamed for it too if it doesn't work wrong, so maybe.
True. I think what happens is, actors usually become the face of the film. So in that sense, we also get blamed if it doesn't turn out well. But again, I think the blame also ought to be shared.
This is the first time we've seen a doll made on an Indian movie character. So how do you both feel to be, in the international league of things, to have a doll which is made exactly like your characters in Dhoom 3? That's one question, and I'll ask you the next after you answer it.
Well, I'm happy, but I have to confess that I'm not really into yeah, it's nice. I think it's nice for the fans. I think it's nice for, I would like to, as a fan, own certain things for films and, maybe actors. Like, I would love to have Harrison Ford's whip from the Indiana Jones series. I think it's good for the fans then when they get to own a piece of something that they love. So it's wonderful that, Yash Raj's team has come up with the largest ever. Let's see how it does. I think this is the first time that in India we're trying something on such a large scale, and I'm keen to see how people respond to that.
And how similar do you think the doll looks like you?
I think it's not bad. I wish they had done a better job on the hair.
Also, Amir, I think adult collector dolls is
Yeah.
a very innovative concept. It's coming to India for the first time.
Uh-huh.
To have memorabilia from the movies to be kept with you. So, what's your take on that?
Yeah, as I said earlier, I think it's probably important for fans, and it allows you to own a piece of the film or someone you love, and so it's good for the fans.
Right, I've got a question out here, the gentleman.
Yeah,
Hi Amir, hi Katrina. Great work, guys.
thank you.
My question is regarding the game for you, Amir. Now, the Dhoom 3 game has been a great success. I guess it's almost reaching 2 million downloads very recently. And many people are drawing parallels with the quality of the output of the game, with the trademark quality of the quest of perfection that is generally seen with Amir Khan. The question would be that were you involved in any aspect of the game development?
I'm afraid I was not. So any credit for the quality of the game should go to the people who designed it, and I saw it a couple of days back myself for the first time, and you're right. I'm quite concerned about the quality of anything that we come out with, and I was really pleased to see that it's really well-made game. So I liked it myself. Yeah.
Are you guys the dominating thieves because the Super Cop is missing since the past 2 promotion also? Is he lagging behind?
No, he's not lacking behind. He's very much part of the promotions. In fact, Abhishek and I launched the first trailer of the film together. So I guess with every event, you'll see different actors from the film.
So do we see the whole team together anytime?
Also, hopefully.
Just want to ask you, we have seen you romancing Katrina in the film. Did those heels have a effect on you? Did you forbid her from wearing the heels?
Well,
Yeah, why do you have to get me in trouble?
no, they didn't. Actually, they didn't come in the way at all. I love tall women. Yeah. I just love tall women.
Now we can see the height difference. So Katrina, how tall are you?
Well, no, it's okay. I'm wearing heels now. I mean, it's not something that you do in the film, or if your character doesn't require it, then you don't do it. But I'm doing it now.
आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे, आप यहाँ पर धूम के लिए आए हुए हैं, लेकिन आप कल रात में उनकी पार्टी में थे, क्या कुछ हुआ, कैसा माहौल था?
बहुत धूम मचा वहाँ पे.
क्या सचिन का माइंड कैसा था?
Well, it was a very special evening, and Sachin and Anjali were great hosts, and everyone had a great time in celebrating such a unique career of Sachin's. We had a great time.
फिल्म के अंदर साउंड जो है वो सबसे अहम भूमिका निभाता है, और साउंड जो गिल्ड के एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट हैं मिस्टर BN तिवारी, उन्होंने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के मेकर्स को एक लेटर भेजा है, क्योंकि जो साउंड इंजीनियर्स हैं उनका मेहनताना पूर्ण तरह से मिल नहीं रहा है उनको, जो मेहनताना वो डिज़र्व करते हैं. तो 8 दिसंबर के बाद पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री म्यूट हो जाएगी, उनका कहना ऐसा है. 2000 लोग स्ट्राइक पर जाने वाले. व्हाट डू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
I didn't know anything about this actually.
मगर अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो मतलब, क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री फिल्मों के लिए साउंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है.
I think filmmaking is a combination of many art forms, and sound is definitely one of the important art forms. और अगर साउंड डिपार्टमेंट में जो हमारे दोस्त काम कर रहे हैं, उनको अगर लगता है कि that they want better facilities and better fees and payment, I'm sure that the rest of the people working together will definitely consider it. I don't think that will not happen.
Katrina, what is your take on it? What is your take on it?
Yeah, again, I'm not exactly aware of what you're talking about, but if anyone in the industry, if any of the technicians need support of the actors and the cause is correct, then I'm pretty sure we would all be there to support it.
आपने तीनों खान्स को बड़े पर्दे पर रोमांस किया है, सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान और अब आमिर खान. क्या तीनों का वे ऑफ रोमांस सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर सेम है, या किस तरह से अलग पाती हैं तीनों खान्स के रोमांस को?
We'd be in big trouble.
I know where this is heading. अगला क्वेश्चन होगा, सलमान की शादी कब हो रही है?
Okay, we want Katrina to answer this, please.
We'd be in big trouble if their way of romancing was all the same. We'd have some very similar films going on. No, they're all very, very different. I don't see them as you say, the surname is the same, but of course, as actors, even their style is extremely different, and yeah, they're different.
अच्छा मैं तो भूल गई थी लेकिन आमिर खान ने याद दिलवा दिया आपने सलमान की शादी की फिर से हम सबको याद दिला दी तो फिर
इसमें याद दिलाने की क्या बात है?
अच्छा
और कोई चीज आपके जहन में है?
तो कब हो रही है फिर बात हुई उसके बाद
अच्छा आप हम लोग से क्यों पूछते हैं, उनसे क्यों नहीं पूछते
आप उनके जिगरी दोस्त
आप
हैं
ऐसे
इसीलिए।
हमको पूछते हो जैसे कि हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं किसकी शादी किससे होने वाली है.
Deepika Padukone has given 3 successive hits now. So do you feel any pressure on you? Competition?
Not until you just asked. now I'm thinking about it. No, I think I've been extremely, the word I would use is blessed in my career so far. I think I've God has given me much more than I could even have hoped for. I would even say probably even deserved. So I think I could never be sad, or I could never complain about it. I think it's important in your life and in your career as an actor that you constantly look to better yourself, to improve yourself, and make sure that the films and the work you're doing is good. And I personally feel that if there is competition, and if there's ever competition, it's a good thing, because it pushes you to do better work, to better yourself, to up your game. So any competition is always good.